Are you ready for your Saturday circuit? Let's get to it.
This channel's about us.
Let's kick off this exercise routine with a 48 count ab circuit. We're going to begin with 12 sit-ups. Now we're going to do 12 Russian twists. You can have your feet on the floor, lean back and twist side to side, or the more advanced version has your feet off the ground. You can also do this move with a weight in your hands. Now you can lay flat on your mat for 12 elbow to knee crunches. Now, lastly, to wrap up the abs, we're going to put our feet in the air, straight in the air, and we're going to do 12 toe touches. Now, if you can't touch your toes, just reach for them as high as you're able. Okay, next in the routine, we're going to do 12 to 15 lateral raises. I always like to remind you with lateral raises that this is a lighter weight exercise. You're going to, of course, always bend your knees slightly, bend your elbows slightly, and the goal is for your elbow to be parallel with your shoulder on the top of the exercise. Also, I want you to keep your wrists turned slightly out so that your rotator cuff is protected in the exercise. Now grab a plate weight or a dumbbell, a heavier one, and we're going to do 10 reverse lunges. So the starting position has your front leg in a 90-degree angle. So your back leg, of course, is back far enough that you can do the 90-degree angle. And then you're simply going to stand back up. But I want you to think about your leg muscles and squeezing that glute as you come up. Now we're going to knock out those triceps with 10 tricep extensions. You'll bend over slightly, bend your knees slightly, pull your elbows back, and only your lower arm is moving during this exercise. I like to point my palm towards the ceiling on the extension. Our last move of the set is this combination of bicep curl and overhead press. As you see, I'm using 2 dumbbells, and so starting position has your palms facing out. You'll curl up and then twist your wrists to where the palms are facing out, and then of course extend up and back down, which looks very similar to an Arnold press in that factor, but this is a good way to knock out 2 exercises at once doing combinations. You did it! Great job! Now make sure you knock out all 3 sets, and I'll see you next time at Michelle's Body Shop.